So guys, we out here with Asia Fishing Aruba. We'll do some fishing on a kayak. Gonna look for some pelagic, see what's biting. You already know, guys. Stay tuned. Pisca! We're on, guys, on the kayak. I don't know what it is. I know. Oh. No, jack chiquito. Un jack chiquito. Of yeah, one size. Yeah. Yeah, I'm a jack, sorry. Ano, gana kita mariko. See. Woo. We're on, guys. Woo. Oh, fuck. It's forward. Fuck on the kayak. Alright guys, Ponty's on, guys. Woohoo! Let's see what we got. He's on, guys. He's on, guys. Botine, botine. Bumesa Janet. Awal bom. Tomou tempo. Então guardavo. Bonko Ponty. Woo! Alright guys, so I don't know if I recorded the intro, but I'm sorry to do it anyways. But as y'all saw, that was a fun ass kayak session. I'm hella tired. Already know we got hooked up on a lot of fish, especially Ponty. He went crazy. I'm gonna link his YouTube down in the description and you'll see, guys. So, and tomorrow we're going fishing early morning, like 5:30 to 6:30 at Andikuri. And yeah, if a new video comes out, it means I caught something. If it doesn't, then yeah, we never know. Alright guys, see ya and stay tuned.
Di pise गाय की लगा मैं सीधा एको में साली बांधी की कौन चौस ini am de sinda pero orang salin sigo sali vai de biar você olhando também clap nos ah Kayak fishing part 2. You. Inshore fishing over here. Guys, gotta check out his video. Gonna go get some action. You already know. It's always fun to get out on the water. And my boy Justin. Justin with A.
Yeah.
See what you can catch. You guys should also check Justin's channel. Well, he doesn't have a channel yet. Check him on TikTok. Fishing. Inshore J. And Aruba, you already know. He catches some big barracudas. You know, guys. Stay tuned for the action. Let's go. Alright, guys. My fix is really absolutely zero action. Like, at all. No action. We drifted all the way to Antillas. Just jigging. I'm jigging with a bucktail right now. I know it's not the best thing to jig, but I'm waiting to get to Antillas because there's hella big ass yellowtail snappers and they go crazy for a bucktail jig. So I already know, I'm just waiting to get there. We're slowly drifting there. Here, I'll show you. That catamaran over there is Antillas shipwreck. This is the Marmok area. We're not that far from shore. We're here with my boy Justin, having some fun. Well, not really fun because we ain't getting no fucking fish, but it's alright. We're gonna try to keep jigging, and if there's a next clip, you know there's gonna be fish. Alright boys, stay tuned. Now we're jigging in deep waters. Let's see what's up with the action. Still going out. Oh, on! Oh fuck! Oh shit! We're on. Come on, guys. Really light rod. Oh fuck! Ito hopi granny. Oh fuck! I'm gonna get spooled, guys. I'm gonna get spooled. Oh fuck! Ah shit! Big fish, guys. Big fish. Real big fish. Whew. It's a really light rod, guys. I gotta take this real careful. Nate boom. Gotta take it careful, guys. Kidaw kinat. Oh, deta grande. I don't know if I can land this fish, guys. It feels real big and got a really light rod. It's putting a lot of pressure on me. Whew. Oh, watch out. Halabulin. Big fish, guys. Oh my gosh, big fish, guys. Oh, there. Shit, boy. Look at that shit, guys. He's mad. He's real mad, boys. He's gonna get in the shipwreck. We got color. Oh, it's a big fish, guys. Itong pumper. No, ano itong pumper. Itong big ass jack. Hey, nate buong gayo. Buong? Oh my god, itong African pompano. Itong African pompano. Nate. Wara. Guys, it's my first time catching an African pompano, guys. I'm really excited. Hopefully I don't lose this fish. He does not look good. Wara fam. Tengo que irse para arriba. Nate, gayo. Coño, Justin, nate, gayo. Bad deal, guys. I set the hook real good on him. Wait, African pompano. guys. Bestia, guys. He's big, guys. He's a big fish. Gotta take it real slow. I don't know if it's good hook, guys. I don't know. Just trying to keep my cool. Got it. Wada. Got it. Justin, gayo. Dia boba arriba. Wara, saca a bolinha, hala, oi. See, tá bom size. Yes! Yeah. Woohoo! African pompano, boys! Guys, I'm jigging. Alright, guys, I'm really excited. I just hooked up onto this African pompano. Dream fish of mine, guys, dream fish. Woohoo! Big fish, guys.